Most women think that it's too late for them to rebuild themselves. They think that the bus left the station. They think that they missed the chance, maybe because of their age, because of their body, because of their pasts, or maybe because of the choices that they have already made. They think it's too late to change careers, too late to heal themselves, too late to fall in love, too late to become the woman that they've always dreamt of being. I used to believe that too. But here is what I have discovered. It is never too late. It's that no one has ever taught us how to come back home to ourselves. For years, I desired to become the fullest expression of the woman I knew I was meant to be. Outside, I was achieving things. But deep down inside, I still felt that disconnection from my body, my intuition, and my feminine power. But everything changed when I stopped trying to fix myself and start to reconnect with my body. When I started to trust my own inner guidance, I did not become someone new. I just remembered who I've always been, and that changed everything. I started to make decisions with confidence instead of fear. My relationships became more healthier because I knew my worth. My business became more aligned because I stopped forcing and I started to create from a place of clarity. I had more energy, more peace, more joy. The woman I had always wanted to become wasn't waiting somewhere in the future. She was waiting underneath all the programming, all the conditioning, all the belief system that I had been carrying. If you have been telling yourself that it's too late for you to start over, I want you to know this. I want you to know that your timeline is not over. Your next chapter doesn't depend on your age. It depends on your willingness to choose yourself. So, ladies, let me know from the comment. If you could invent one area of your life today, what would it be? Would it be your health, your relationships, your confidence, your business, or something else? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me for more content like this, and I will see you soon.